Hello, and welcome to another How-To with HASS. Today we're going to go over how to use the optimization feature in HASS 2021. Start by calculating your system. And as you can see, the optimization tool has realized the system is not optimized. Click the optimization button. You will see HASS will save the file as a new name, along with popping up a dialog box explaining the optimization feature. Then the optimization dialog box will appear. From here you can determine how you want your system optimized. Today we will stay with the auto-populated options. Once HASS is done optimizing, the optimization results will appear. As you can see here, it will show your old diameters and then the optimized diameters. From here, click Next to get to your calculation. As you can see here, now our safety factor is greater than 10%. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button below. Also consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use HASS. For more information about HRS systems, you can go to our website, hrssystems.com, and follow us on the social media channels.